All right, morning everyone. Welcome to another episode of Trading Bitcoin with your host, Vays. Coming to you again at a very odd hour in New York. Sorry about that, guys, but I got conferences all day. Today specifically, I have to speak at 3 of them. So I got about 7 minutes before I'm going to be late for my first one. So we're going straight to screen share, not wasting any time. Of course, I am hosting my own little sub-event inside the WOW Summit, which you do get entry to if you sign up for my event, even though I would expect you to stay in my event because they are in the same conference space, basically. Anyway, come out to Understanding Bitcoin. People are signing up, down to 3 VIP tickets. But yeah, people are signing up. So check that out. Okay, here we go. Weird things are happening last night. So weekly scale, the weekly chart, isn't today already Monday? Shouldn't I have another candle here? Let me refresh. Hopefully it will refresh. Because sometimes it doesn't and it looks bad. And this chart is working because I can see the time ticking down. Okay, so we are down to our last candle right here, and the time is ticking down. But is that the current price? No, you see, that is the current price. So something is really off on the price part. So see, this one is ticking down. It's not ticking down. It is ticking down, right? But that's not the current price. The current price of Bitcoin, and again, I'm just going to double check on my phone. So I don't know, something is wrong with either trading view or, right, the current price is 56,400, okay? So the hourly chart, the 4-hour chart and the hourly chart, they are accurate. And here's what I just want to point out, right? So on this daily chart, the daily chart is accurate as well. That's the accurate price, okay? I'm using the index. The index is supposed to be the aggregate of the price. You can see how yesterday's candle actually went below the prior 3 days worth of candles, right? So this here is October 7th, and the low price of October 7th was 53,358, and the low price here yesterday was 53,336. So technically, yesterday, October 10th, went lower than October 7th. But if you look at the 1-hour chart, it did not. Like, here's October 7th, and here's a legitimate low of 53,390. But yesterday, well, the 4-hour chart even, right? But yesterday, here's already October 9th. But yesterday, October 10th, the low price stayed above 54,300. But on a daily chart, it's showing that it went all the way down to like 53 something. So there's a huge discrepancy in whatever it is TradingView is doing with its index. Now, I'm so busy with conferences that I did hear that like somebody sold like $40 million worth of Bitcoin at spot on one of the exchanges. I think it was Bitstamp, and it swung the price down, and it looks to have affected the price of the daily aggregate price, but not the hourly aggregate price. So there's something messed up on TradingView with their pricing index. That's all I can say. Okay. Either way, this is, if we go to the 1-hour chart, again, there's no down spike, not to that degree, right? Not to the degree of 53 and change. Now, this here is the MRI support line on the hourly at 53,380. And what I said yesterday was, like, as long as Bitcoin stays above 54,000, I mean, it's still bullish. And it looks like because of that one sell, we swung below 54,000 for about 30 seconds. Okay, so this is where stop losses could get you in trouble. It depends on what exchange you're on. If you weren't on Bitstamp, then it probably didn't affect you at all. And right now, the picture is bullish once again. This candle on a daily chart, however, did, crush the green star candle of the MRI. And now we have to wait for another candle, tomorrow's candle, in order to pick up a new green star candle on the MRI. But the daily chart is still bullish. You can see how we just made a brand new swing high. We are currently making a brand new high close, but the day has just begun, literally a few hours ago. So you never know which way the day will end, as you can see by yesterday's weird day. But yesterday's weird day did not change the overall trend. The weekly chart is just not loading, so there's nothing I can do about that. But the 4-day chart is also not loading. This one has already flipped to the next day, and we are sitting above 56,000. So I think it's safe to say I have won my bet with, yes, I've won my dinner from Joe Saz. That was what the bet was. The bet was for a nice steak dinner. Joe Saz owes me a dinner. I think it's safe to say we've established a 55,000 high close. That is pretty much it. Bitcoin dominance is rising once again. The GBTC is not going to open for a while. Got like 6 more hours to go. New high in oil. As you guys know, I am very bullish on oil. I've been bullish on oil. And the S&P is ticking down, which is also what I anticipated. So far, everything is pretty much working out exactly as I've been saying for a week at least, where we had this dead cat bounce, and then we had this one, even though I didn't think even this would happen. And right now we're going down, and if we go down to below the prior swing low on the S&P, my new area of being bullish to the S&P becomes the current swing high that happened 2 days ago, as opposed to the swing high that happened at the end of September. Okay. All right, guys, that is it. I got to run to the conference. We still have room at Understanding Bitcoin, though people are signing up. So it's only 50 spots maximum. And because not that many people were signing up, I had to invite a few friends. But hey, if you're paying, friends are going to be uninvited. It's just the way it is. So yeah, so go ahead and sign up for Understanding Bitcoin as part of the WOW Summit at Atlantis. All right, guys. Thank you all for watching. Hey, also thanks for subscribing. Thank you for subscribing to the Understanding Bitcoin YouTube channel. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subs before the event, which is Thursday. If you're watching this, please sign up. There is a link in the video description. There's also, you see all of the YouTube channels that I follow on the left side of my YouTube channel. So please subscribe. 1,000 subs is really important because it prevents your channel from being as easily deleted by YouTube. YouTube likes to delete anybody's channel, but if it's under 1,000 subs, then you can't even get a human to look at why it was deleted. So please sign up. Not that many left. And we don't post much here. It's only the conference videos. All right, guys. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Oh, my conference is today. Sorry. If you are in Dubai, I am speaking at AIM Summit in about, 45 minutes. That's this. And then I am speaking at Dubai Blockchain Week at the JW Marriott, and AIM Summit is at the Emirates Towers, I think. But I'm sure you guys are resourceful, and you will find out where these events are taking place, and that's where I will be. All right. Thank you all for watching. See you all on the next one.